Today we're going to be doing the cast off. So first we're going to work 2 knit stitches. So just wrap around, pull up your loop. And the next step is we're going to take the first stitch we knit and pull it over the second stitch. So insert your needle into the first stitch, bring it to the tip of your needle and slip it over. Now we're going to knit 1 more stitch and pull the first stitch over the second stitch again. So knit 1 more stitch, pull the first stitch over the new stitch, and then you can add on another. You'll notice that you'll only have at most 2 stitches on your right hand needle at any time. So this is what the cast off stitches look like, and we're going to keep going until we get to the end. So here we have our last 2 stitches on our right needle. We're going to slip over the first one and then just pull up a bit of a loop so that it doesn't fall and unravel. Now we're going to cut the yarn. And we're going to thread the end through the loop and tighten it to make a knot. And there you've cast off your knitting.